Hey guys, it's Will. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Let's get into what is Supermicro Computer stock here. There's a couple things I've been hearing from a lot of people about this company, and most of it has been good. There's a few articles that are looking bad, but I wanted to just run through the technicals. We obviously know that they were mentioned on the Nvidia earnings call. We know that they are a company that has been considerably innovative and providing the servers for xAI. However, one article that was kind of interesting with this super microcomputer is it apparently, and this is probably 95% of this is probably fake right here. It says Elon Musk X reportedly shifts 6 billion AI server orders from the troubled Supermicro, and they talk about the 10K, some of the things that Supermicro is not doing well and things like that. But when you look at the reports of where this came from, it is this Chinese website that, and this is on Yahoo Finance, that if you translate to English and you go look at some of the other articles, some of them are like tariff war. Okay, there's some things that maybe aren't accurate. Okay, so I just want to you know say that there's probably what I know, as far as I know, we have Supermicro Computer providing the infrastructure for the xAI Colossus, this massive computer that Elon is building. And so there could be potential upside for the company. And so let's just kind of get into the technicals a little bit. Recently, we saw that they were kind of selling off, right, from here all the way down, even through what was the elections. They were probably one of the only AI companies that sold off through the elections, and you can see that here. Okay, and right now, if you were looking solely on this, you'd say, oh, it looks like it might just sell off. It looks like it's gonna continue this downtrend that it pulled back from, kind of like right here maybe, where it pulled back and continued down, right? But there's this critical level that we're at as far as technicals go that I think is something to pay attention to. So you guys can even see where the price is. There's that red line. If I just draw where the price is, you see this is a previous resistance. Here's a previous resistance. And then also here's a previous support that we saw. And now our price is right there. And so kind of what that means is, as you guys know, previous supports, you may not know this, tend to act as a resistance and vice versa. So a lot of times there will be moments like you could clearly identify right here with Supermicro Computer where it established this resistance right here, and it established a support, and that support right there, and then that support acted as a resistance for this level. And this happens time and time again, right, with technicals. And so they don't always behave that way, but they tend to. And so now we see this kind of recovery on Supermicro Computer after selling off. And this is their earnings call, and they really, really sold off. But now we're at this critical level to where if we break above this, then we could see what would be a next level of most likely $50 a share to $65 a share. And if that was the case, we'd be looking at what would be about 37% increase on Supermicro Computer if we make it back to this previous resistance, or sorry, support. And then if we make it to previous levels of the $65 a share, we'd be up to 78%, which is a tremendous swing trade or shorter term trade that might be of value for you if you want to take advantage of that. Now, obviously, just because something's a low price doesn't necessarily mean it's a good deal. But when we look at this right now and seeing the overall risk that maybe has to run for Supermicro Computer and what the upside could look like, it just pushed up above that EMA. So when it pushes up above the EMA, that's usually indication that we're going to see a reversal. MACD, we saw some divergence. The momentum on this, as you can see, we saw it sell off, sell off, sell off. But on the RSI, this second time when it continued to sell off down to November 15th, the RSI didn't drop lower. The RSI stayed about the same, if not a tiny bit higher, which could indicate that it's building momentum for, I mean, that's a classic divergence, right? That's what we could see happen for the stock. So I'm going to keep you guys fully updated on this one. I may be entering a trade here at the next market open. If you guys would like to watch me trade live every day at market open, we have Stockmate. Just a friendly reminder, for Black Friday, we have an awesome 40% discount to get in. And the tech and AI industry is booming. If you want to learn how to invest in it and watch me trade live every day, get to surround yourself with other artists and entrepreneurs, and mostly traders and investors. Then I would encourage you to check out that second link down below again. That's Stockmate. And for those of you guys that enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button. Do consider hitting the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.